How to make e-commerce website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website for your e-commerce on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it and how to earn your money online. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. Feel free to create an account on Wix.com. It's completely free and free forever. You just need to create a suitable password and your email address, and then you will have your Wix.com account. It's pretty easy to create and completely free. So next we just need to click this blue button, create new site. Now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. As you remember, we need a website for our e-commerce, so I will just type e-commerce, and here you have a choice. You can choose a e-commerce startup, a store, cleaning store, electronic store, dress store, a bookstore, grocery store, ebook store, drone store, digital products shop, and many of variants. So here you need to just choose what type of business actually do you have, and choose whatever you need, whatever you want. I will just choose e-commerce store just to show you. Just an example, I don't really need this website. So now we need to connect a custom domain. No, it will be a little bit later. Now we need to create a store name. So basically, if you have a name, your store have a name, you just put it here. I will just name it an example, because I'm just making a video for you. Don't really need this website. Do you already have an online store? So if you have, click here. If you don't, click here. Pretty easy. No, I'm just starting out. What kind of products are you selling? Select anything you are selling now or plan to sell in the future. So for example, you are selling physical products like t-shirts, shoes or skateboards, and drop shipping products I source and sell, shipped by a third party. So let's continue. And how you are offering your products: online store, my mobile app, in person, and marketplaces and social media. For example, you need to create a site for your online store, so I will just choose this one and continue. Now we are all set, and we can continue to dashboard. Dashboard on Wix.com is a perfect tool to creating sites. You can see it's very easy to use. Here we can see what steps we need to complete to have our brand new site. So the next step is connect a custom domain. Wix.com offers us to use this one, exampleconnect.com, and as I already said, I don't really need this website, so I just will click make it yours, and as you see, exampleconnect.com is available, and this is the name that you can type here in this bar, and you will have our brand new site that I will create right now. Next step, we need to set up payment methods, but I'm sure you will do it by yourself, and add your first product, set as shipping and delivery. I think it's pretty easy to fill it by yourself. I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. But now I will show you how to design your website. It's the most important thing and the most interesting thing. So now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I will choose this one. I want to browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. Wix.com have thousands of ready templates, and as you can see, all of those are really nice, but we need to choose one that suits our business, suits our preferences. For example, you have an electronics store, so if you like this design, you can view it just to check it out, like how it looks like. And if you are liking it, you can. I really like this one, and I will pick it. So just click edit, and now we need to wait until everything loads, and we will have our editor's page. Wix website editor is a perfect tool to create sites, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, or anything like this. You can just use a website for creating a website. This is the best about Wix.com, and I really like it. So here you have your Wix website editor. Here we see how our site is divided into several parts. For example, header, welcome section, instruction section, features section, decorative, and footer, of course. You can edit almost everything here. For example, you don't like this decorative section, you don't really need this, so just right click and delete. For example, you need to edit this instructions. Double click on it. Here we have it, and here you can double click on text, write something else. Here you can change background. You can do it smaller, bigger, how you want to do it. Here you have such functions as add elements. You can add random text, image, button. For example, let me show you. Double click on header. For example, you don't like this horizontal menu. You want to delete this. To delete this, we need to click this button, and now add elements. We want to add new menu. Here is this menu, and for example, you like this one, just drag it and drop it. Here you have it. Of course, you can change the color of your menu to be more appropriate for this site. You have such functions as add section. For example, we had a decorative section that I deleted. You can put it back if you want. You can find this decorative. Here we have welcome section, about, gallery, theme, contact section. If you want to have a contact section on your site, we don't really have it, as you can see. You can just pick any of this and drop here, for example, if you want it. So of course we can edit here, change the address, phone number, email address, social bar. We can link these buttons to be our real social media websites, and it's really easy to use. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.